Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and dialer app versions so you know which method will work. Once done, backup contacts and enable a full Android backup. This protects you if something breaks. Next, choose a path. Change the system font in settings, install a launcher that can override fonts, or prepare for a rooted mod if you need dialer-specific fonts. Make sure you have battery above 50% and Wi-Fi for downloads before continuing. You can usually change the dialer font by altering the system font. Open Settings, go to Display, then Font Style or Size, select a new font and apply. If your Android skin lacks font options, install a launcher like Niagara or Launcher that supports custom fonts. Set it as default and pick a font in the launcher settings. Once applied, force stop and reopen the dialer to see the update. Some apps require a reboot for all UI elements to refresh. If you need a dialer-only font, Root gives you power. Use Magisk to install a themed dialer APK or a Substratum theme that targets the dialer UI. Install carefully and keep a Nandroid backup. If the new font does not appear, clear the dialer app cache and data, then reboot. That fixes most issues. If the dialer crashes or layout breaks, restore your backup immediately and remove the mod. One troubleshooting tip. Safe mode helps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.